Hey guys, and welcome into today's quick video. I do have to shoot out, so this is just going to be a really quick update to throw 3 stocks on your radar right now. One of them is a blue chip stock, guys, that you need to know about because it has sold off over 11% in the past 24 hours. And if you are someone that's wanting an update on Alpine for holdings, then be sure to make sure you are subscribed to this channel, because in the next 48 hours, guys, I will do a full update on that. Unfortunately, I will not have time to do that video today. But what we are going to do is we're going to start looking at the ticker DDD, which is for 3D Systems Corporations. This is a stock to throw on your radar. This is one of the largest 3D printing companies, guys, in the world, and right now they have sold off over 13% on the day. So this is a stock to throw on your radar. Cathie was absolutely loading up on this stock over the last 24 hours. And again, we can see that they did have a surprise, again, of 0.3 cents on earnings. They beat by 64%. So again, that is a really nice stock right now that has sold off. The selling yesterday in the major growth sector, guys, was instigated because Tesla was down over 12% on the day, and that's due to the news that obviously Elon is going to be selling about 10% of his shares. This has run up significantly, guys, in the past week, so I was expecting a major cool down, and I'm still expecting this gap here to close at some point over the next few weeks. So this is an area that I will be looking for, again, as a place of support for Tesla to then start to reascend upwards. Now, if you're someone that is looking for an update on Palantir, then guys, yesterday was a great place to load the boats because we did have those earnings out, and they are in fact growing revenues fantastically at about 35% per year. And right now we have sold off over 10% on the day. This again was another stock that Cathie was absolutely loading up on at ARK Invest yesterday, and they have been buying this dip very aggressively. You can see that we do have some major support around that $23 price range, so I would be very surprised if we were to break down from here. But if we do, guys, the next layer of support is at $20, and this is going to be an absolute steal for the price of Palantir in the long run for us to potentially load up on those shares so that we can start to capitalize once this stock does start to move from this range of consolidation above $30. Now, I do expect in the long run this stock to retest its high again of around $40 to $42. But again, that is a very long-term hold for me, and that is what I'm planning to do with my position, guys. I would like to double my position in Palantir on this dip so that when we do in fact come back up to these all-time highs, again, we are going to see that profit of about 80 to 100%. And the third stock, guys, that I want to talk to you about is, of course, SPCE, because recently we have seen a run-up. I did alert our patrons on a massive buy the dip opportunity right now, and we are up about 15 to 25% on this position, depending on when you bought in yesterday, and again, if you had sold once this was above $21. So this is a stock right now that we are all watching, and we haven't quite filled that gap. So I'm looking for, of course, this stock to continue to move up, but this is a very strong buy for me because they have announced that they are going to be selling their first 100 tickets. And again, this was all in the earnings call. Right now, they are burning through a ton of cash, and this is a very long-term hold stock, like I had said, which does hold a lot of risk, probably one of the riskiest stocks in my portfolio. But technically, I like where this is positioned right now, and we are starting to see some upwards momentum again. And the RSI, as long as we don't sell off underneath this 50, then again, that's going to be the place to, in fact, load the boat. When we do come back down to that 30 zone, and we start to curl back upwards, and again, we trend up above that $20 price range. So these are the stocks right now to add onto your watch list, guys. PayPal, of course, Palantir, DDD, and of course SPCE. So I hope you did enjoy this update. Like I said, if you haven't gone down there already, make sure to smash that subscribe button for me, and also don't forget to hit that big like button. If you would like access to any of my private buy and sell alerts, then be sure to check out the link below if you do want to support the channel in any way to the private Patreon for the price of a coffee. Guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I look forward to doing a full update on the Alpine 4 stock over the next 48 hours for you, so we can also see as investors what we are planning to do over the long term with this position. Guys, have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.